According to legend, Rome began with two abandoned twins, Romulus and Remus, raised by a she-wolf beside the River Tiber.
Look at them building our village! The heart of Rome begins here. Splendid work, everyone!
Senators, we must debate the Republic. More power for the Senate!
What about the people?
Order, we will hear all. It's Hannibal! Run for your lives! Forward, cross these mountains! The elephants are coming, we're doomed! Ha! Look at them scatter! The enemy is upon us! Fight! We're trapped! Fall back! No escape! Hold the line!
Gaul is conquered, Rome stands victorious. Behold the might of Caesar!
The die is cast. We cross the Rubicon. Soldiers with me, for Rome! Let the civil war begin!
Hail Augustus, Emperor of Rome!
Citizens of Rome, I accept this great honor.
Long live the Emperor, SPQR!
Together we will build a greater Rome.
Caesar, there is talk of betrayal.
Betrayal? What do you mean?
The knives are drawn, Caesar. Knives? Here, in the Senate? Beware the Ides, Caesar.
Behold the empire at its peak. Its cities teem with trade and life. From aqueducts to the arena, our architecture stands eternal.
Okay, crowd's watching. Don't mess up. Whoa, easy now. Here we go, yeah. Take that and that. Whew, not bad.
Everything is fine. Just playing my lyre, don't mind me. This fire is quite the spectacle. But my music must go on.
The guards are near.
Search the perimeter.
We must be silent.
The Lord is with us. Amen, stay vigilant. Nothing here, move on.
In hoc signo vinces.
We accept Christ, Emperor!
This is the sign of victory.
Hail, Emperor Constantine!
The Roman Empire's legacy lives on. Watch as ancient ruins transform into a modern city. Roman engineering shaped our world. From ruins to city, their impact endures.
From a tiny village beside a river to one of history's greatest empires, Rome changed the world forever.